Want a powerful setup from your gaming PC or want to blast out your favourite tunes? Then check this out.
TechBaffle. Discover cool stuff.
Hello and welcome to TechBaffle. James out here, and today we're going to look at the Trust Tytan 2.1 PC and laptop speaker sets with two satellite speakers and a subwoofer. It's got quite a quirky design. It's got nice red cones on the speakers, which is a nice touch. Gives it a bit of more of a gamery feel. I can't actually fit the box under the camera, so do bear with me. So it has a peak power of 120 watts, a wired remote control, and adjustable volume and bass. Tytan 2.1 PC laptop speaker set. So it looks pretty awesome, look at that. So this is a 2.1 speaker set, including a wooden subwoofer with a total RMS power output of 60 watts. So the RMS is more useful, that's more of a realistic scenario. The peak power is just how loud it can possibly get at a certain frequency. So yeah, what you want to look out for is the RMS power, not the peak power. Peak power is basically used for marketing. So an RMS output of 60 watt is actually pretty respectable. High quality sound with deep bass, a wired remote control, headphone and smartphone / MP3 connection, volume and bass control, and smart power management goes to standby when not in use. So if you've got it running and you're not playing music, you're not playing games, it'll just go. High quality sound of deep bass. Convenient wired remote control with headphones and smartphone connections. So it's designed to sit on your desk. A wired remote control means you won't need to replace batteries all the time. If you want to adjust the bass, you need to go to the back of the subwoofer. You can also turn eco mode on and off. So it depends how well it works, but if it keeps on being noticeable, then you can always switch it off. It's worth noting it doesn't have Bluetooth, so you will need to plug this in with a 3.5mm cable. If you have USB-C only, you will need to get a USB-C to 3.5mm adapter, which you can get in a TechBaffle link in the description. Frequency range of 20 to 20,000 Hertz. So 20 is the really low bass frequency, 20,000 Hertz is the high-end treble. Impedance of 4 ohms, power output of 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 Hertz frequency. Cable length to PC is 175 centimeters. And then the cable to the satellites is 180 centimeters. So do bear that in mind when you're planning this for your setup. Controls, you've got volume and bass. Eco button, yes. And then there's the size of the subwoofer and the satellites, and a weight of just under 5 kilograms. Package includes a subwoofer, 2 satellite speakers, a wired remote, a power cable, an audio cable, a user guide, and a gaming sticker, which is interesting. Minimum requirements of a 3.5mm audio connection, so it uses wall power of 100 to 240 volts. So this one is a UK model, so it will have the UK plug. However, you can buy this in the TechBaffle links in the description. It will find you the model for your country. Very clever, the TechBaffle links. I don't know how they do it really. Again, apologies for the top camera. The box is genuinely quite big. Let's have a look. Let's try and have a look. Let's not use that. Let's see what's inside.
A few minutes later.
I think we might be in now. So inside the box we have #building champions. GXT is Trust's gaming range, so that's what these speakers are designed for. In the box we have the user guide, which pretty much just tells you just to plug it in. We have some legal and compliance information. Here we have our cable, so I have the UK cable. Yeah, we've got the wired remote control, plus a few other audio cables. Apologies, polystyrene alert. I might have to stand up to do this, this is a hefty operation. So I'm guessing this is the subwoofer box and the 2 satellite speakers on the right. Okay, so how are we gonna get this out? Let's build a sandcastle. Let's build a sandcastle. In the box we have the Trust GXT gaming sticker, 2 satellite speakers, very light. Now for the best bit. Look at that. And now for the second best bit. Awesome. It has a fixed cable with RCA plugs on the end. Means it's going to be really easy to set up. Finally, we have the big boy. Look at that. So this is the subwoofer, which will provide all the bass for your gaming and music. Twisty ties. Sorry, Shannon, you missed out on the twisty ties. On the rear of the subwoofer, you have all the ports This one is output and this one is input. So what you need for the speakers is the output. So it's all color coded, so really easy to set up. And we have the right speaker. So with the subwoofer, it's up to you whether you want to put it on your desk or you can put it on the floor. It's up to you. You might get a better bass response with it on the floor. However, it might look pretty cool on your desk. So in the bag of bits, we have this wired remote control and the power connection. Power is very simple. This plugs in at the bottom. So you actually have a hard on-off switch on the back as well. Before we plug it in, we just need to connect the wired remote control. Just remove all these protectors. So it's got a bit of a grippy surface on the bottom, so it shouldn't slide around on your desk too much. 3, 2, 1. Awesome. So on this, we have 3 different connections. So these RCAs plug into your subwoofer, color-coded connections. Then you've got the 3.5mm cable that you plug in to your PC. The only thing is you've got quite a thick cable connecting your wired remote. So we now have our setup. So let's go ahead and plug it in. We are now plugged in. So I have my laptop here running Windows 11. For more information on this laptop, check the TechBaffle links in the description. I've got it updated to Windows 11 since that video, so that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and plug this in to the laptop and play some tunes. We have a hard on and off switch. I'll just go ahead and turn it on. This remote feels a little bit scratchy. I was hoping it was going to be a bit nicer than that, but so I'll load up Epidemic Sounds, which is what I use for my videos, and let's play some music. So I'll put everything on maximum on the back of the subwoofer, and I can control it using the remote. Let's turn it up. That bass. So you can control the bass. So this is on maximum. Turning it down. And you can completely turn the bass off. So there's loads of control. And that's backwards on maximum. So yeah, it sounds really good.
Now for the sound test. I'm using my Headrec binaural ears to record these speakers. No, seriously, it has ears. So for best results, use headphones. I'm using music from Epidemic Sounds. I've put my playlist in the description. What do I think of the Trust Titan 2.1 speaker set? They're a fun way to boost the sound of your music and games. The subwoofer has punchy bass that can be easily adjusted. Sound quality is great for the price. The subwoofer adds lots of depth. The speakers are okay, although the lack of tweeters is disappointing. They are more mid-focused, so don't have that high-end detail. Although light, they grip to the desk well. The remote is easy to use and provides easy headphone and aux connection, but the volume knob could be smoother. The design looks awesome with the red accents, ideal for a gaming setup. For the price, the Trust GXT38 Titan 2.1 speaker set is ideal for gaming and music. It packs lots of bass and would look great on your desk. Overall, I give it a TechBaffle rating of 4 out of 5. You can buy this speaker set on Amazon. Check the TechBaffle links in the description.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. If you want any more of this sort of thing, don't forget to subscribe and ding so you don't miss a thing. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat and TikTok. Follow me at TechBaffle. For all the latest, head over to the new TechBaffle website, techbaffle.com. Thanks for watching and have a baffling day.